Mistake number 1. She don't like coffee. This is wrong. Always say she doesn't like coffee. Are you making these English mistakes every single day without knowing it? Mistake number 2. I am agree with you. This is wrong. Just say, I agree with you. Mistake number 3. I did a mistake. This is wrong. Always say, I made a mistake. Mistake number 4. He is more taller. This is wrong. Simply say, he is taller. Mistake number 5. I am boring. This is wrong. Say, I am bored. Keep watching. 5 more mistakes are coming, and number 8 will really surprise you. Mistake number 6. We discussed about the problem. This is wrong. Say, we discussed the problem. Mistake number 7. I have seen him yesterday. This is wrong. Say, I saw him yesterday. Mistake number 8. She is my cousin's sister. This is wrong. Just say, she is my cousin. Mistake number 9. I didn't knew about it. This is wrong. Say, I didn't know about it. And the last mistake, I am not understanding. This is wrong. Say, I don't understand. Now let us say all 10 corrections together. Repeat after me every day, and your English will improve fast. She doesn't. I agree. I made a mistake. He is taller. I am bored. Say these every day. We discussed. I saw. My cousin. I didn't know. I don't understand. Remember these always. Subscribe to Nana English Daily for a new English lesson every single day. I will see you tomorrow.